Ghost trains. Facing it, the railroad is superstitiously baptized. It doesn't adhere to the schedule, doesn't stop at stations and semaphores, doesn't take passengers. It appears from nowhere, and as a legend says, it should go straight to hell. It is believed that there are 3 railway ghosts in the world: the Lincoln funeral train, the medical train of the times of the World War II, and the 3-car tourist train that disappeared in Italy in 1911. Numerous urban legends narrate about missing trains that differ mainly in place and time of action. Typical plot: many years ago a train disappeared without a trace under strange circumstances. For example, drove into a tunnel but never go out. Since then, it has been more or less regularly seen walking on the same rails where he walked in life. In one of the monastery chronicles of the Middle Ages, there is an interesting record. The story is about how once a giant iron wagon rolled up to the monastery walls with a hellish roar. Scientists are trying to somehow explain the phenomenon with ghost trains, proving that they cannot be phantoms if only because they bring down people. They really rattle on the ground, and once an explorer of this unique phenomenon jumped onto an Italian ghost train, jumped and disappeared forever. Have you ever met ghost trains?